Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace license plate light bulbs on a Nissan Maxima. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always make sure your vehicle's lights are completely off before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical issues during the process. Having the right bulb type is crucial for a successful replacement. Now let's get to those bulbs. Locate the small plastic housing for the license plate lights, usually found on the trunk lid above the license plate. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully and gently pry open the plastic cover. Once the cover is off, you'll see the bulb socket. Give it a slight twist counterclockwise, and it should release easily from the housing. With the socket in hand, it's time for the actual replacement. Gently pull the old, non-working bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Just push it straight in. Before you fully reassemble everything, let's test your work. Turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. Once confirmed, twist the bulb socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. Finally, carefully snap the plastic cover back into place over the light housing. Listen for a satisfying click to confirm it's securely fastened. You've successfully replaced your license plate light bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.